Hey there! If you want to unlock the strategies that millionaires use to build and maintain their wealth, you're in the right place. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner towards personal growth and success. Are you ready to learn the secrets of a millionaire mindset and success? In this video, we'll uncover the top 10 mistakes that millionaires never make twice. These successful individuals have learned valuable lessons on their path to wealth, and they ensure they never repeat these crucial errors. So let's dive right in. Number 10. Poor investment decisions. Millionaires appreciate the importance of taking lessons from past errors. Poor investment choices might lead to losses and setbacks in money. They learn vital lessons from past mistakes and apply them to future judgments by thinking back on them. Millionaires prioritize their financial education and stay informed about market trends, investment strategies, and economic factors. They conduct thorough research before making investment decisions, seeking advice from financial experts and professionals. This knowledge helps them avoid repeating poor investment choices. Number 9. Neglecting personal finance management. Millionaires know how crucial financial restraint is to accumulating and preserving wealth. They understand that failing to manage their finances might cause economic instability and interfere with their long-term objectives. They ensure they are in charge of their money and can make wise selections by continuously monitoring their finances. Successful individuals have clear financial goals and understand that effective personal finance management is essential for achieving those goals. They prioritize budgeting, tracking expenses, and saving to ensure they are on track to meet their objectives. They learn from any previous instances of neglect and make it a priority to manage their finances effectively. Number 8. Overconfidence in their abilities. Overconfidence can blind individuals to the risks and uncertainties inherent in business and investing. Millionaires understand the importance of assessing risks and making informed decisions based on careful analysis. They approach opportunities rationally, weighing the potential rewards against the risks involved. Successful people know their limitations and cannot succeed in all facets of life or business. They are self-aware enough to own their rules in specific fields of knowledge or experience. They can ask for help, work together with others, and use the abilities of others around them by being aware of their limits. The attitude of millionaires is one of ongoing learning and development. They know there is always more to discover and new abilities to develop. They actively seek opportunities to increase their knowledge and skill sets by reading, taking courses, getting mentorship, or networking. They continue to be humble and remain receptive to fresh viewpoints and ideas. Number 7. Failing to diversify income streams. One of the secrets of the wealthy is that they don't rely on a single source of income. They know that having multiple income streams can help them achieve their financial goals faster, reduce their risk of losing everything, and create more opportunities for growth and innovation. For example, they can invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, businesses, or cryptocurrencies. They also understand that repeating the same mistakes can be costly and detrimental to their success. That's why they always learn from their failures, adapt to changing circumstances, and seek new ways to generate value. For instance, they can read books, attend seminars, hire mentors, or join mastermind groups. They are fearless in trying new things, experimenting with different strategies, and diversifying their portfolio. They are enthusiastic about creating wealth and positively impacting the world. In conclusion, the wealthy have a different mindset and approach to money than most people. They are unsatisfied with one source of income or one way of doing things. They are constantly looking for new opportunities and learning from their experiences. They are passionate about their goals and their vision. They are the millionaires who never make or repeat the same mistakes. Number 6. Neglecting personal health and well-being. Successful individuals understand that their physical and mental well-being is crucial for long-term success. They consistently pay attention to their health, which can impact their ability to perform optimally. They prioritize exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient rest to maintain productivity and longevity. One of the secrets of success that many millionaires share is that they never make or repeat the mistake of neglecting their health and well-being. They know that their physical, mental, and emotional health are the foundations of their wealth and happiness. They invest in themselves by eating well, exercising regularly, sleeping enough, meditating, learning new skills, and having fun. They also avoid habits that can harm their health, such as smoking, drinking excessively, or stressing over trivial matters. They understand that by caring for themselves, they can perform better, enjoy life more, and achieve their goals faster. Number 5. Not building a solid professional network. One of the biggest mistakes that millionaires never make or repeat is not building a solid professional network. A professional network is a valuable asset that can help you achieve your goals, learn new skills, find new opportunities, and grow your wealth. A professional network is not just a collection of contacts, but a community of like-minded people who support each other and share their expertise. Millionaires know networking is not a one-time event, but a continuous building of relationships and trust. People who invest time and energy in nurturing their network and are always looking for ways to add value to others also leverage their network to access resources, information, and referrals that can accelerate their success. Millionaires understand that networking is not only beneficial for their careers, but also for their personal life. They surround themselves with positive and inspiring people who motivate them to achieve more and live better. They also use their network to give back to society and make a difference. Millionaires never make or repeat the mistake of not building a solid professional network because they know it is one of the most powerful tools for creating wealth and happiness. Millionaires understand the power of networking and the opportunities it can bring. They never make the mistake of neglecting to build a robust professional network. They actively look for connections, participate in industry events, and interact with like-minded people who may provide assistance, direction, and new business partnerships. Number 4. Failing to adapt to changing market trends. The business landscape constantly evolves, and millionaires recognize the need to adapt to changing market trends. They learn from any previous failures resulting from a failure to adapt and stay ahead of the curve. They closely monitor industry developments, embrace innovation, and adjust their strategies accordingly. Millionaires are always looking for new opportunities, technologies, customer needs, and ways to create value. They stay in their comfort zones and avoid clinging to outdated strategies. They embrace change and innovation, and they learn from their failures. They do not repeat the same mistakes but use them as feedback to improve their performance. They constantly evolve and grow, so they never make or repeat, failing to adapt to changing market trends. Number 3. Ignoring personal development and continuous learning. The process of developing oneself personally involves working on things like skills, mentality, habits, relationships, and goals. Constant learning is the habit of regularly seeking new knowledge and insights, whether through books, courses, podcasts, mentors, or other sources. Why are personal development and continuous learning so crucial for millionaires? Because they help them to maintain their success, grow their wealth, and achieve their full potential. With personal development and continuous learning, millionaires can become complacent and active and even gain an edge in the competitive and dynamic world of business and finance. They can also miss out on opportunities to expand their horizons, discover new passions, or positively impact the world. Personal development and continuous learning are not only beneficial for millionaires, but for anyone who wants to live a fulfilling and meaningful life. They are the keys to unlocking one's true potential and achieving one's dreams. They are also the sources of joy, satisfaction, and happiness. Therefore, millionaires who ignore personal development and continuous learning are hurting themselves and depriving themselves of the best that life has to offer. Successful individuals understand the importance of personal growth and continuous learning. They consistently pay attention to their development. They invest in themselves by attending seminars and workshops and acquiring new skills or knowledge to stay relevant and improve their chances of success. Number 2. making impulsive or emotional decisions. Millionaires always think carefully and rationally before taking action, and they learn from their mistakes. They understand that impulsive or emotional decisions can lead to costly consequences, such as losing money, reputation, or opportunities. They also know emotions can cloud their judgment and prevent them from seeing the bigger picture. That's why they practice self-control and discipline, and consult with experts or mentors when facing difficult situations. Millionaires avoid making impulsive or emotionally driven decisions, especially regarding significant financial matters. They understand the importance of rational thinking and consider the long-term consequences of their actions. They take the time to gather information, assess the benefits and drawbacks, and then decide using reason and analysis. Number 1. Surrounding themselves with negative influences. One of the secrets of success that millionaires know very well is the importance of avoiding negative influences in their lives. Negative influences can be people, habits, environments, or anything else that drains your energy, lowers your self-esteem, or distracts you from your goals. Millionaires understand that they are the average of the 5 people they spend the most time with, so they choose their friends and associates carefully. They surround themselves with positive, supportive, and inspiring people who share their vision and values. They also avoid toxic, pessimistic, and complacent people who might drag them down or hold them back. Millionaires never make or repeat the mistake of letting negative influences affect their mindset, mood, or motivation. Negativity is contagious and can sabotage their success, but positivity is empowering and can propel them to greater heights. That's why millionaires never make or repeat the mistake of surrounding themselves with negative influences. Successful individuals are aware of the impact their environment and the people around them can have on their mindset and success. They never make the mistake of surrounding themselves with negative influences or toxic individuals who bring them down. Instead, they seek positive, supportive, like-minded individuals who inspire and motivate them to achieve greater heights. And there you have it, the 10 mistakes that millionaires never make twice. Learning from their experiences and constantly evolving, these individuals lead to long-lasting success. Thanks for watching our video on the 10 mistakes that millionaires never make twice. We hope you found the information insightful and valuable. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on success, wealth, and personal development. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and continually seek ways to provide you with the most relevant and helpful content. Remember, success is within your reach, and by learning from the mistakes of millionaires, you can pave your path to financial prosperity. Keep striving for greatness, and we'll see you in the following video.